In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Typeform account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, maybe you've wrapped up your project, or perhaps you've decided to use a different platform altogether. Whatever your reason is, I'm here to walk you through the process, which is actually quite straightforward if you know the right steps. To kick things off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you usually use to browse the internet will do just fine. Once your browser is up and running, type in the address for the Typeform website and hit enter. Now, as the page loads, look for the option to log in to your account. You'll want to enter your standard credentials, your email address and password to get access to your account. Once you've logged in successfully, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. Let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the interface. If you look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you should see your profile icon. This could either be your profile picture or just an avatar icon, depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on that icon. A small drop-down menu should appear, and from there, you'll want to select the option labeled Account Settings. This is going to direct you to your primary profile management page. Now that you're on the profile section, it's time to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. It might take a second, so don't rush it. Once you reach the bottom, keep your eyes peeled for a prominent red button that says Delete My Account. It's bright enough that you probably won't miss it. Go ahead and click on that button. After you click it, a confirmation screen will pop up. This screen is designed to ensure that you really intend to delete your account, so take a moment to think it over. At this point, you'll need to enter your account password one last time. This is just a security measure to verify your identity and protect your data. Additionally, Typeform will ask you to select a reason for leaving from a provided list. This step is primarily for their internal feedback purposes, so don't worry too much about it. Just choose the option that best describes why you're leaving. Once you've entered your password and selected your reason, the next step is to click on the final confirmation button. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. So I can't stress enough how important it is to ensure that you've backed up any important data or projects you may have saved there. And that's all there is to it. Your account is now gone, and you're officially all set. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial today. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please feel free to check out our other videos for more insightful content. Remember, whether you're deleting your account for good reason or just looking to explore new options, making sure you know how to do it can save you a lot of headaches in the future. Take care, and I'll see you next time.